boy Young Carter, Round the Clock TV, rocking my dog Foxy. What's up, people? This your boy Young Carter, the official host of the South. We in this bitch Around the Clock TV. What's up, people? This your boy Young Carter, Around the Clock TV. We in Franktown.
TV, you heard me? This podcast, YMTMP.
You're now watching Around the Clock TV. Hey, bro, this shit like clockwork.
Around the Clock TV, we everywhere, y'all know.
Around the Clock TV.
I don't know what to call it. I will say my fans everywhere I go. Show my ass everywhere I go. Kicking it Around the Clock TV. Tall. Nigga stupid. The nigga said,
So I'm in Naples, Florida. It's going down. Go and check out Naples Zoo. Y'all come with me.
Giant millipede. What's a millipede?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, they living. One thing, they're like plastic things.
They ain't plastic.
I know that. That's crazy. Look at that. There's a crocodile here. There you go, Jim.
Look, snake.
Jamaican.
Of course.
You get to get close to him. Oh, I'm flexing. Eat that pussy, boy.
That's a coda.
Yeah, Jim. Crocodile Jeremy. That boy ain't his man right there. Man, he got black geese. Boys ain't green, it's black, dude.
About to get them damn birds. They about to be lunch. They about to be lunch. See, they about to have lunch. The damn birds. What's in here? Water long. Anteater? That's an anteater. That's an anteater. That's an anteater. They got long mouth. They could catch.
Look at that big bit.
Look at that, y'all.
Hey. Cotton top Marion. Big tourist. Hey.
I ain't worried about that.
Like us, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, welcome aboard. My name's Rich. I'm going to be your captain for this tour. Our lake was created about 70 years ago while this was all still botanical gardens. Now the water here gets pumped in by the Gordon River nearby, so that makes the water brackish. It's a mixture of both salt and fresh water.
Wow.
And it brings in an abundance of wildlife. We have several varieties of fish you'll see jumping in and out of the lake. We have turtles, we have iguanas, we have water snakes, we have the occasional river otter. What we don't have is alligators. Alligators are only located up on Alligator Bay, about 25 yards north of the dock. There's a natural barrier.
Wow.
And none of the primates that you're going to see today were taken from the wild. They're about 3 or 4 generations out from the wild. They were either born here at the Naples Zoo or at other U.S. accredited zoos throughout the nation.
Wow.
These are going to be a species of ape, not monkey. They're going to be the largest of the given species, and they're native to Southeast Asia, places like Malaysia, Sumatra, Thailand, Vietnam. Now I see that the bridge between the two islands are down, so that means the apes are isolated on one of the islands, and I think it's the further island. Those are monkeys. We didn't get there yet. He's actually eating something. Now you have to understand, the primates control the cruise. You know, I'm going to sit out here for a minute or two to see if he'll actually come out. But he's seated right inside the cottage. And that's a Siamese gibbon. Now they're what they call sons. They came to us from a zoo in Indiana
right
about 6 years ago.
It's raining right there.
That's some New Orleans stuff there.
That's crazy.
Oh, this is so
And the difference between the apes and the monkeys is simple. Monkeys have tails, apes do not.
wow.
Now the word colobus is a Greek word meaning mutilated one, where you didn't have the opportunity of seeing it, but apes will swing through the trees. These guys are not swingers, they're jumpers and leapers.
Wow.
They actually should have told me before I took out the tour. Cinco de Mayo,
Okay.
the keepers got together and decided to name them Pico, Chip, and Jalapeno. Well, let me go around. I can show you better. I'll come right across the island for you.
Pico, chip, and jalapeno.
You should see these guys.
What's up, Lemus? Hey. What's up? Hey. What's that?
Now look at those eyes. They have a reflective layer right at the back of their eye that
Okay.
makes them see excellent at night.
Like a cat. They got 3 in there.
There's 3 in there. Pico,
Right.
Chip, and Jalapeno.
Right. The three brothers. You're right. Pico, chip, and jalapeno. Hey, Pico, chip.
Now you
jalapeno.
notice, like the monkeys and the apes had flat faces. These guys have pointed
Pointing
faces.
faces.
And they have a wet nose just like your dog would
Like a
have,
dog.
which makes right at the edge, right here.
He blending too,
See
bro.
him?
Yep. He blending.
We've gotten a number of iguanas in since the hurricane.
Wow.
They're an invasive species.
So what you mean? They invading everything?
Well, what they do, they come on the islands, they eat the food that we throw out for the primates, and then some of the primates will come out and beat them with their hands.
Yeah. They blending so good.
Everybody say too aggressive though.
Yeah, motherfucker got a dragon bearded.
We raised them for like 3 years, and then we put them out to other zoos.
I wouldn't be surprised if they come running out of there.
You see him?
No, I'm saying.
That's what the lion is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
Hey, you can see him right here. You can see him real good right here.
He came all the way up to the fence.
He killed me. Oh, I see the daddy and the mom. I see the big head.
Yeah,
Oh, I
there
see
he
him.
is. Now I want to see the 3
He's chilling,
boys.
but he's so
That man.
humongous.
He's so huge. And he just sister recognized me.
Right.
And she recognized my voice. Oh,
Did you come see him?
I come and see them.
What?
Oh, she come out. Hi, Mama. Hello, Mama. Where's the boys? Come and say hello. Oh,
I don't trust his ass.
oh, wait, let me get my camera. You coming out and say
Came
hello?
out
Oh, hello. Come on over. No, she comes all the way up to the fence. Let's see what she'll do it.
Mm.
Come on, Mama.
She is beautiful.
Oh, she's so gorgeous.
That's pretty. Wow.
Then he's gonna come out. Daddy's gonna come out. The boys are gonna come out.
Yeah, she gotta come behind.
It's right here.
Oh, she's coming out. Hi.
I like how she walk like this
Hello.
little smooth, sturdy
Mhm.
little.
Hello.
Terrifying. Terrifying walk.
My question is, how do you get your hand in there like that? They even do that. It's crazy. It's more crazy. You jump the fence.
Oh, Lord. Oh, I'm so happy. This has made my whole trip.
Yeah, this made it lit right here.
Oh, this has made my whole trip.
Hey,
Like, where you at?
tell them, come on, man. She heard something outside over there.
He's gonna come.
Man, they are some beautiful animals. Yep.
That was she.
Shut up.
It went live. Y'all know what it is. Naples Zoo, Florida. I rock with it. I give it a 9 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? I can roll with it all day like that. You feel me? But make sure y'all stay locked, subscribe, like, comment, all that shit, share, and gonna keep it locked. Bow.
I'm at the W, I'm just being managed. Took care of Mama Mia, she got me speaking Spanish like the genie in the bottle. Rub the booty, then she vanished. Body like a bottle, panorama, let me ram it. She be teaching pole class, control like Janet. The baddest in the building, baddest on the planet. Pole class, she be taking pole class. Pole class, she be taking pole class. Pole class, she be taking pole class. She be taking pole class, she be taking pole class. I like that.